Good morning to all. Welcome to Satyajit Bora's ePathshala once again. I hope all of you are well, fit, healthy, and staying at home. So I hope all the best for the new today's session of video lecture. Now this video session is a continuation of our previous video. Now I hope previous class all of you enjoyed, most of you enjoyed, but I have a request for you all guys that there is a like button. If you like, just like the video. I will get that I will come to know that yes, you are liking my videos. Then I get some energy to do extra. I can give some extra effort to make these videos and I want to I will get some energy to make more videos and more elaborately I can describe these things. And also in last class I have told you to tell about comment about the language, that alternative language which I can use here to explain the things, but none of you have given any comment. At least write something as a comment. It will let me know that you are enjoying the video or not. Also I can understand that you are understanding the things or not. Okay, I will not waste any more time. Now I have already in the previous class I have already given you the PDF of chapter 1. I hope all of you have gone through that. Now I would simply like to tell you one thing, that today we are in last class we have completed up to question number 1 in my practice time 1. Now today we will start with our question number 2 of my practice time 1. Now you will if you have any other doubt regarding these videos, you can comment there. Okay, you no need to panic again. I will say that you need not to panic about the doubts. Regarding doubts, I will be always there for you to clear all the doubts. If you put that comment there, then I can definitely make the next video with those taking into account those comments. I will take into account in our next upcoming videos. So you please put some light over there. Okay, now question number 2. If we look at the PDF, you will see there, you will see there, question number 2 is what? Chapter 1. It is okay. Now my MPT लिखा हो मैंने. MPT means my practice time 1. Okay, I hope it is gettable. Now question number 2. What is there in question number 2? I will write the question first. Write in numerals. Write in what? Numerals. Now first of all, what do you mean by numerals, right? Numerals means numbers, simply numbers. Numerals means simply numbers. That means if I write something like this, 5, what is it? It is a numeral. What it is? It is a numeral. If I write 45, it is also what? A numeral. Suppose 458, 458, that means what? 458, it is what? Another numeral. So here it is 3-digit numeral, it is 2-digit numeral, and this is 1-digit numeral. Okay, this is different thing. You need not to worry about these things now. Question number A. What is there? Question number A. 1310. 1310. See, most of the students do mistakes in these type of questions. The previous one is not much tougher. In that means in previous classes, which question? The for question number 1 was much easier in comparison to this, because most of the people will leave some zeros over there. जीरो, इसके अंदर कुछ जीरो आएगा, वो जीरो तुम लोग कभी, मैक्सिमम बच्चे क्या करते हैं, वो छूट जाता है मैक्सिमम बच्चे का। तो वो गलती ना हो इसके लिए हमें कौन सा टेक्निक यूज़ करना पड़ता है, कौन सा टेक्निक यूज़ करना पड़ता है वो हम अभी दिखाएंगे। वो तुम रफ में, यू कैन यूज़ दैट टेक्निक इन रफ वर्क सच दैट it will, I know it will take some time, but as you are doing this question in exam, you want 1 marks at least. If you do mistake, and if you are not, suppose you are not taking any, if you are suppose you are doing very fast, but if you do some wrong mistakes, you will not get the marks. So rather than that, हेतु হোৱাতকৈ তোমালোকে কি কৰিবা, এনেকুৱা এটা মই এটা শৰ্ট টেকনিক শিকাই দিম, সেই তেনেকৈ চাৰ্ট বনাই লৈ প্লে কৰিবা। আণ্ডাৰষ্টুড? দেন ইট উইল নট, ইউ উইল নট মেক মিষ্টেক। অ'কে, চি ইয়াত মেক্সিমাম কিহলৈকে আহিছে, এই প্লেচবিলাক চাওঁ আমি, 10, 100, 1000. চ' মেক্সিমাম হাউ মাছ, 1000. চ' আই উইল ৰাইট হিয়াৰ টি ফৰ th for 1000. After 1000 I will put what, ekdam continuously I will write. Okay, 1000, then what, 100, or in place of 100 hun, you know, need not to write, you to what I say, to save your time, you just write h, then you write t, then you write o. That means 1000, 100, tens, ones. Now carefully, look carefully. Okay, under 1000 what is written, 1, that means 1000, that means 1000 or tolot ami ki likhim, 1. We will write 1 under 1000. Next 1000 ho gaya ye. Next 300 is there now, so under 100 I will write something. What I will write, 3. What is it, 3. So I will put here what, 3. Understood? Next 100 is there, so 100 is, iska kaam ho chuka hai. Next 10. Now 10 is directly given here, 10. This is 10 na, so 10, 10, but no, it is how many 10, 110. If someone write here 20, if you are given 20, then you would have write, this means 20 means what, 210. 20 means what, 210. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? 20 means simply 2 tens. Yes or no? So then you would have write here 2. But now not 20 is given. Here only what is given? Here only 10 is given, and this 10 means 110. Understood? So instead of 1, in place of 10 I will put what, 1. And no one's available here. No one's. See here, no one is available. Here no one is available. So what you will do here, simply one place, in one place no, nothing is there, that means 0 is there. Nothing means what, ekku nai mane ki 0 ase, karon etu to ami khali rakhibo noro, we cannot keep it vacant. Yes, understood? We cannot keep it void. So simply we got the now your work is to put here answer. In answer what you will write here, you just simply যেনেকৈ আছে তেনেকৈ আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা উঠাই পেলাই ইয়াত পাতি দিম as it is I will put it here okay 1 3 1 0 no chance of getting doing mistakes yes or no so it is a very easy process I will do one more and then others you do by yourself now I want to take some tough one okay suppose very easy only at here D let me do नहीं वो तो बहुत easy होगा 701 yes F I let me do okay you put it here what 1310 okay now question number F what it is question number F in question number F what is the question 7100 100 I am rubbing it okay 7100 what 50 very simple question 7150 now you can directly maximum which place 1000 is there so again you write here 1000 then what will come 100 then what will come 10 then what will come ones will come now you put the values over how many thousand 7000 so 7 put here okay next 1000 come over next 100 1000 के बाद क्या आएगा 100 it will now 100 will come in 100 how much I need to place 100 okay understood next 100 over 50 means what in class 1 itself we know that 50 means what 5 tens yes or no 5 tens that means in tens place 5 will be there I have to write 5 and what in ones place nothing is given that means 0 will come if you don't use this technique you will leave that 0 there is a chance or possibility of leaving that 0 you will simply write down 715 but it will be a total wrong understood so better you use how much time it will take nothing not much time it will take so you just simply do that thing and you just copy that number from here to here as it is answer will be what 7150 so simple isn't that so now the remainings you do by yourself and show me after doing this and show me after doing this you just send the photocopies of these answers to me through on my WhatsApp account okay thank you or you can write these things in your comment box also it will be very far better right you try it now question number I will come to question number 3 is it visible to all just look at here pause the video first now you pause the video and do what copy it after completely copying you again play the video okay now I am rubbing now come to question number 3 what is there in question number 3 fill in the missing number fill in the missing numbers. Isn't that? Question number A. What is there in question number A? See, in question number A, what is there? 1249, 1249, comma. Dash is there, comma. Dash is there, comma. 1252 and 1253. Yes. Now, what will be here? What numbers will come here and here? See, 1 2 4. Same here. Here 1 2 4. 1 2 1 2 1 2. All same. 1 2. This one. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Same na? So put here 1 2 1 2. Ho gaya. Now here 9. Last digit. Here this one what? 9. Here 2. Here 3. Now see what should come in between these. 9 0 1 2 3. Yes, okay. 9 or pisot ki hobo? 0 1 2 3. That means 9 0 1 2 3. Already written. Now come to this point. This number 4. 4 pisot yat moi ki likhim? What I need to write here and here such that I can get here 5. 5. Here 5, here 5. 52, 53. So it is 51 and it is 50. Simple, very simple. Etu ulai loar pisot tumar baki khini easy hoy gol. Yes or no? So bahut easy hai. Next question number B. 8196. 8196, comma, dash. 8198. 8198, comma, dash, comma, dash. Okay. Now see, 8181 common. Everywhere 8181 common. So 8181 you write down simply. Now wait, this is wrong. Okay, you can think in two ways. This one was first way. First we have looked left side. Everywhere I look at left side. Here what? 8181 96. If you see here 6 is there na. Why I have looked at here 12? Because here already 9 was present. Jetia 9 thake 9 otke aur dangor koribo amar okoman digdar hoy jay. So what we do, what we see here. Ebilak eke hobo niki sai lo. But now here look at this question. What will be here? Here 6. 6 otke dangor hobo pare. Yes, 6 jodi etu hoy, then it may come 7. So 6 7 8. Yes, mili ase. Then what will happen? After 8 here 9 will come. So 6 7 8 9. So it is 10. 10 means 0 will be there and 1 will come to this 9. 9 jetia 9 to jetia 1 hoy jabo. That means what? It is, this one will be 8197. This one will be what? 8199. Now what? 8199. Every time 1 is adding with this 1 added. 1 added, then how much become? 8197. That means 8196 was there plus 1. You got how much? 617. 6 plus 1 7. 9918. You got this one. Now you have this one. Last previous number was 8199. Then you add here also 1 because the same series is running, right? So 9 plus 1, 0, 1 will be here. 9 plus 1, 0, 1 will be here. 9 plus 1 actually 10. So 10 or 0 to my put korim aru 1 to gyale patham. Similarly, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 will come here and 1 will be carry out. Okay. Now 1 plus 1, how much you will get? 2. Now this no carry, that means 8 will come down, right? So 8200 will be our next number. 8200. So it is very easy, nothing to be worried. Now let me do one more G. Question number G. Let me do question number G. Others you try it. Okay, you try it at home. At home means after completely watching this video, you can write down the next you can solve the remaining questions, okay, of this chapter. Now question number G. What is in the question number G? 4153, 4153, comma 4154, 4154, comma dash, comma dash, comma 4157, 4157. Same technique. 3, 4, then it will come 5, then come 6. Others see 415, 415, here also 415. So what? 415 will come here everywhere. Very simple, isn't it? So look at that and complete it. Next, H also I will do, okay? H, what is there? In H, question number H. 3082, 3082, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, 3085 dash, 3085, comma, dash. Now see, 2, here it may come 3, 4, 5. Oh, million. Then here it will come, it may come 6. Now look at here, 308, 308. That means the first 3 will be 308. The first 3 numbers digits will be 308, 308. Next what will come? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very simple. I think you can do it very easily. And the remaining questions, now again you pause it and pause the video and copy these questions once again. Okay, copy it. In the meantime, I will rub the board. Next question, question number 4. Come to question number 4. What is there? Count forward and write the next 5 numbers. Count forward and write the next 5 numbers. Now let me do any one of them. Suppose B I am doing. Okay, what is there? 3 4 8 5. 3 4 8 5. You need 5 more. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 more, right? 5 I will write here 6. After 5 6 के बाद आएगा 7, 7 के बाद 8 9, then last one will 10, but no 10, it will 0. And remember, 1 will be added here. So 3 4 8 3 4 8 3 4 8 3 4 8 3 4 8. If we from here to here, you saw that every time 1 is added with the previous one. That means 3 4 8 5 plus 1, you got how much? 6 8 4 3. Which is, this one is what? This one, right? That means now you have to add 1 with this one plus 1. Yes or no? See, like this, you have to add there also 1. So if you add here 1, how much you will get? 9 plus 0 1. 9 plus 1 10. 10 or 0 to thakibo and 1 will be carry out. So 8 plus 1 9. No carry. 4 4 3 3. So what will be our answer? 3490. 3490. Understood or not? I hope you got it. It is very simple. Now this was the toughest one among all these. So others you can simply do. Or C also I will do. I will make you understand. Okay, C. What is there in question number C? 1 2 2 8. 1 2 2 8. See what is said. Count forward and write the next 5 numbers. Next means next numbers will be always greater, not lesser. The number which you are going to get next will be always greater number than the given numbers. Yes or no? Then the given numbers. That means what will come next of 1228? That means 1228 or pisot ki ahibo? 1229 ahibo. Yes or no? So this one will come first. Next 1229 means after 29 30 will come. Now 1230, 31 will come. 1232 will come, and one more will be 1233 will come. Isn't it very simple? So look at here, copy these, pause the video and copy these numbers, these questions, and we will move to the come to question number 5. What is question number 5? Count backwards. Now this time you are asked to count what? Backwards, not forwards. Count backwards and write the previous 5 numbers and write the previous 5 numbers. That means this time you are asked to find out the numbers previous to the given number. Suppose here given the first one, A, 3187, isn't that? 3187. 3187, just previous number, that means previous number. Just previous number of what? 3187 will be what? This is 87, right? It will become what? 6. 7 will become 6 because its previous number I need. ইয়াৰ আগৰ নম্বৰটো লাগে 7 আগৰ নম্বৰটো কি হয় 6 হয় so I will write here 6 and other will be remain as it is first number yes or no this one 8 okay next number 2 this is 6 na now what will come 5 will come here 6 or agot ki asile সদায় 5 আহে 6 or আগত সদায় কি থাকে 5 থাকে that means 5 will be always previous to 6 and remaining will be as it is okay next one number we have written two number written we need 5 similar more numbers okay 1 2 3 4 5 now 5 or just previous number what 4 other will be as it is 4 ka previous number what 3 other will be remain same 3 previous number 2 so other will be remain same isn't it very simple so similarly I hope other questions will also you will done quite easily right just a second thank you for watching this video I think for today it is enough for you because in some places network issue is also taking place so streaming is happening in your videos so if I make this video very large it will be very much it will not be beneficial for you people to see the whole video during this 1 hour time so anyways you just do one thing you copy these things and then you just prepare for the next class which is going to be held in Saturday I hope and I like in that class we will start with place value and face value what is place value what is face value we will explain it very nicely and we will understand the things very quite easily and let me conclude this class today and one more important request from my side if you if you really like this video you just press the like button over there and please share it and if possible you please subscribe this channel such that the notification you get time to time because I will make this video quite frequently I am going to make this video quite frequently so you need to get notifications directly so you better it will you subscribe the channel and share the videos because most of students needs these type of videos and I hope it will be very beneficial for those students also and thank you very much for watching me in this through this video and I hope you will stay safe at home and fit and healthy and we will meet in the next class thank you very much